If you're climbing arenas in Clash Royale, here are the best decks for each stage up to Arena 24. In early arenas, stick with Giant Goblin Hut and Giant Bomber for reliable pushes and swamp control. By Arena 5, swap to Hog Rider Cycle with Zeh, which is faster and more consistent. Around Arena 6, try Hog plus Goblin Barrel for double win conditions. In Arena 9, go for Double Barrel Bait, and in Arena 10, Goblin Giant Double Prince Chance. For mid ladder, Arena 11's Mega Knight Bait is strong, while Arena 12 uses Expo Cycle and Arena 13 favors Giant Graveyard. In Arena 14, Hog Earthquake dominates, and Arena 15 brings the classic log bait. Arena 16 is all about backup Beach Ban, and Arena 17 belongs to Royal Hog's EQ cycle. For high arenas, Arena 18 shines with Little Prince Minor Rocket, Arena 19 with Splash Yard, and Arena 20 with Minor Wall Breakers. Past that, Arena 21 is Royal Giant Fisherman, Arena 22 is Lava Loon, Arena 23 is Minor Balloon Cycle, and Arena 24 ends with Royal Recruits Hawks. Use these to climb, but always adapt to the meta.